Assalamu alaikum. Dear students of class 9, how are you all? Hope you all are fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIEVS Home School. This is Wahid Noor, Assistant Teacher of Islamic Studies, National Ideal English Version School District. Today I am going to conduct the class of Islamic Studies for class 9. And today our topic is Assignment number 1 discussion. This is the 10th week assignment and religion assignment number 1 and lecture number 3. My beloved students, already you are getting many of the assignments, but there was the exam, that's why some assignments disclosing was stopped. So this is 10th week assignment and religion assignment number 1, and already you got the assignment topic and what is our topic and what about you will write that, and what can be the instruction from the teacher, how I can help you. I am showing that. First of all, my dear students, see the assignment topic. In this box there is the assignment topic, there is the title. The title will be the orderly management of the nature and the universe. Again I am telling the title of the assignment. You have to write an article about this title, the orderly management of the nature and the universe. Within 200, maximum 200 words you have to write this. My beloved students, how this world, how this universe is moving, who is controlling this world, how the nature showing their naturality, how the environment is going on. So all of these things will be included in this topic. I mean how this universe and how this nature is going on, who is the controller and whose name is that, and how he is getting, you have to write about him, the speech of Quran and the speech of Hadith and etc. many of this. So for this there is the hints in your assignment. Hints is identity of Tawhid. About this title there is the related discussion about the identity of Tawhid. As you know, Tawhid means the oneness of Almighty Allah. Then the number 2 hints is a real example of creation. Real example of creation means, students, what Almighty Allah has created. You can input some picture, for example the nature picture, for example the oceans, the seas picture, the hills picture. I mean what is in the worldly life, the environment, natural environment, who created the Almighty, what created the Almighty Allah, that is the picture of nature. So who has created this? So some picture you can include in this article. Okay, now number 3, references from Quran and Hadith or relevant quotations from Quran and Sunnah. So it means you have to write some ayat. For example, if I say 1 or 2 ayat, Surah Ikhlas, there is the identity of the oneness of Almighty Allah, Qul huwallahu ahad Allahu samad, or the Ayatul Kursi, Surah Baqarah, ayat number 255, there is the discussion about the Almighty Allah, the Allah's oneness, Allahu la ilaha illa huwal hayyul qayyum. Or you can write the another ayat, Oma khalaqtul jinna wal insa illa liya'budun. So all of these things you will get in your book. First of all, I am showing you where from you will get. You will get from lesson 1. I mean you have to read all of these pages, then you have to make the article. Lesson 1, chapter 1, Islam, the introduction, you have to read this. So you have to know about the Islam, what Islam is saying, and then the role of Islam. What is the aim of Islam? What is the instruction of Islam about? What is the instruction about the Islam from the Islamic Sharia? And then the next page, page number 4, the importance of Islamic learning. Why you will learn the Islamic knowledge? What is the importance for learning the Islamic knowledge? So you will read that. And then from here, lesson 2, the relationship between Iman and Islam, then you will be clear. And also there is the 7 fundamental aspects of Iman. So 7 fundamental aspects of Iman is very important. There are 7 fundamental aspects in lesson 2. And also lesson 4, Tawhid. This is the main point, Tawhid. There is the introduction, the importance of Tawhid. So my beloved students, what I have shown you, this it was from your religion book, class 9 religion book. Now I am showing you the book of class 7. You will get some knowledge from class 7 book. There is some instruction about the Tawhid. You will get some the ayats, some speech of Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, some pictures also. So first of all, there is the lesson 1. Lesson 1C, there is about the Tawhid, the importance and significance of Tawhid. If you read this, then you will get some knowledges. And there is the picture of nature. So this type of picture you can draw, because this is not the man-made picture. I mean, this picture, real picture is not from man-made. This is the Almighty Allah's creations. So you can draw this. And the next page also, this related to the Tawhid. And also you can see the lesson 2, Tawhid and morality. I already told you there is the ayat, Qul hu Allahu ahad. Here say He is Allah, He is one and second to none. You can input this ayat and meaning also. And also there is another ayat, Ama khalaqtul jinna wal insa illa liya'budun. Why Almighty Allah created the human beings and the jinns. And there is the ayat of Surah Baqarah, ayat number 255. I mean Ayatul Kursi, first word, Allahu la ilaha illahu. And the last part, the page number 7. Okay, so my beloved students, don't be worried. We have to write all of these things, or what I will write. Listen, you will write 200 words, maximum 200 words. But you have to gather some knowledge about the creation of Almighty Allah. How Almighty Allah is arranging this world. How Almighty Allah is controlling this world. Who is controlling? So for writing this topic, you have to read these pages again and again. Then you will get the knowledge. Now I am showing you the last part. This is the book of class 6. From class 6 book, there is chapter 1, lesson 1. There is also the about discussion of Tawhid, the meaning of Tawhid, the identity of Allah. And then page number 2, significance of Tawhid, importance of faith in Tawhid, instance of belief in Tawhid, I mean the importance of belief in Tawhid. And then the last page, page number 3, this part also. So my dear students, I already told you the hints where from. So if you read all of this, inshallah, you can ask me, sir, where from we will collect this book. If you search the PDF, the Google, then you can search, you will get the book of class 6 and 7, and you can read from there. And I also written here where from you will see the book of class 6, chapter 1, lesson 1, and see the book of class 7, chapter 1, lesson 1 and 2. So my beloved students, you have to write this article from yourself and handwriting, own handwriting, not composite, not allowed. And you will submit this assignment 28/8/21. This date you will submit the assignment. Religion assignment, 10th week religion assignment, you will submit within this date. I hope you understood. If you have any more questions, you will ask to your subject teacher in live class. Inshallah, you will be clear. It's very easy. Don't be bothered. Don't be panic. Very easily, if you read this topic, the title, inshallah you can write an article, and you can take the help from the internet or from the mosque of imam of mosque or from the another religious persons. It's allowed, no problem at all. That's all for today, my dear students. Keep practicing at home and submit your religion assignment in scheduled time. See you next class inshallah. Till then, assalamu alaikum.